B-roll is that special sauce that makes all videos more enjoyable to watch. In this video, you're going to learn the difference between A-roll and B-roll and 3 tips for how to use B-roll more effectively. Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, and if you want to add video to your marketing plan, then this is the channel for you. Be sure to subscribe. I upload new videos every Wednesday. What's the difference between A-roll and B-roll? Well, we gotta look back to first understand. When film was first being used, A-roll was the first roll that would go down, and B-roll would be the coverage that goes on top of it. Same thing kind of happens right now. First, you like to start by building your story with your A-roll, so that is your audio roll. B-roll is for any other footage that goes on top of that to complement the story. It's used to bridge any gaps and make the story more engaging for the viewer. B-roll is also a great way to cut edit points. If you don't get your sentence correct the first time, you can cut When you don't get your sentence correct the first time, you can cut the clips and place B-roll on top of it so nobody sees that there was a cut there. It's also great for taking out ums. Somewhere in this video, there's an obvious B-roll mismatch. Did you notice? Comment below with the timestamp. Now that we know the difference between A-roll and B-roll, here's 3 tips for using your B-roll more effectively. Number 1 is make sure the B-roll is relevant with your A-roll. When you're talking about something, you want to show that as your B-roll. You don't want to mismatch items. For example, if you're talking about a beach, you want to show a beach. You're talking about Vancouver, show Vancouver. Feelings and ideas can also be expressed with B-roll. So when you talk about connection, you want to show people connecting. The more relevant your B-roll is, the more it adds to your story and doesn't confuse the viewer from what they're watching. Tip number 2! Number 2, use B-roll to set tone. By adding quick cuts, you're able to make a video seem faster and more upbeat. By adding longer clips, you're able to slow the story down. Tip number 3. Number 3, plan your B-roll. Your best bet is to separate your shooting from A-roll and B-roll. One day, shoot all your audio content and then go and edit that. Make a list of all the B-roll that you need to tell the story, and then just shoot the B-roll that is relevant to the story. Having a list of the B-roll that you need to shoot will make life a lot easier for you, because then you won't be shooting everything and you know exactly what you're looking for. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, subscribe. Until next time, peace! Tip number 2! Let's read it first.